I'm also blessed. I'm obedient to Lord. I'm Mojibara Awal and we are students of Fruitful Vines College, Ibadan, Nigeria. So we are members of FVC Initiative and we work on a project on building and solar powered aircraft.
A lot of cartons which will have been taken to dump sites to be burnt, which release carbon monoxide and sulfur into the atmosphere, which would lead to global warming by depletion of the ozone layer. So we've taken a lot of plastics to produce our drone. Everything was melted into our drone compartments and frames and everything. And we are using solar powered aircraft so that fossil fuels and other propulsion fuels like that will not lead to an increase and rise of global warming. So making use of solar powered aircraft is very safe and sustainable, and we are doing this so as to make an impact in the sustainable aviation sector.
The real body and the prototype they don't go along, and that's because this one this one has more weight than the actual body. The actual body was made out of cardboard, just as my partner had said. So we had to make use of cardboard to ensure we had a lighter weight, and also to make sure that this wasn't going to be heavier, and this wasn't going to be lighter than this. So
One of the things we did was to construct the ant. The bigger ant was used by a radius of 4 centimeters, while the overall ant was 22 centimeters. The overall circle was used a radius of 22 centimeters for the overall circle, and we constructed the base of the plane. The width of the plane is 37 by 11.6 centimeters, and the length of the plane is 80 by 20 centimeters. Also took measurements to ensure that there are not any parts longer than another, like the wings and some other parts. Although this wasn't really fortunate, it was too big. We had to measure some parts and brace some parts so that it wouldn't be so floppy. And as you see, it couldn't move it compared to this. My health was about to be. We needed to measure the carton so that we could make another prototype that will be able to fit this place and be lighter. At first we used styrofoam so as to make because we noticed that styrofoam was lighter than carton, but we found out that the styrofoam was a little bit hard to glue and stand and stay for long. So then we used cardboard.
Okay, so we constructed our quadcopter by assembling parts together. This is the frame of the quadcopter, and this is the body itself. As you can see, it's made out of plastic. So for the weight, we have the tires and everything, and this is put so to absorb the shock when landing. As you can see, it's made out of rubber material. Whereas the body here is made out, we have the propellers, the brushless DC motors, we have the battery, we have the receiver, we have the flight controller, and we have other parts. So, like now, this receiver is placed so that it can receive impulses and signals from the controller here. So with this, we'll be able to control this, and we made use of the software also known as clean flight, so for the configuration and calibration, because if not properly calibrated it will turn over and would damage the drones. So we assembled each wires together, and we went over it over and over and again before it started working. So we have the batteries, the flight controller, everything is all joined together, and the flight controller is more like the central board that controls the activities of the body.
Thank you, Green Growth Africa, for giving me and my teammates the experience. We've really achieved a lot. North America environmental education, Pratt and Whitney, and the EcoHeroes initiative. We thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.